Isang masayang balita mula sa former child star na si Trina Legaspi. Nanganak na siya sa kanyang pangalawang baby. At isa itong baby girl na pinangalanan nilang Caris. Sa kanyang Instagram post, ibinahagi ni Trina ang kanyang overflowing joy, sabay sabi, "Best birthday gift ever! We've been soaking in every precious moment with our new baby girl Caris. I almost forgot to post." Dagdag pa niya, "Thank you, Lord, for another safe and normal delivery." Grabe, during those moments of pushing, akala ko di ko na kaya pero kinaya ulit by God's grace. What a powerful mama moment.